Happy Wednesday, writers. Today we're going to be working in our writer's notebook with just the notebook and a pencil. You're going to go ahead and turn in your notebook to find our last teach page that we worked on yesterday on our closing sentences or clinchers. And we had finished talking about what goes into a juicy hamburger paragraph. So focus topic of our topic sentence, which is our main idea, and then having those juicy insides of those relevant details that all support our main idea, and then wrapping it up with our clincher or closing sentence. So today we're going to be moving on to page 25. Go ahead to your table of contents. Remember, you can push pause at any time to get yourself caught up and organized. Today we're going to be writing our sample paragraphs. So we're going to write sample paragraph. And then today's date is 9-23-20. Go ahead, then turn back to page 25. And we're going to write at the top, sample paragraph. So we're going to be following along with Mrs. Ling, and you're going to write exactly what Mrs. Ling is writing in my notebook. You're going to write it exactly in your notebook. So you have a copy of Mrs. Ling's words to describe what we're doing today. So today I want you to start off by looking at the top of your paper, and I want you to draw a box that takes up 4 rows. The length from side to side is going to be pretty close to stay by the margins, so the red lines are on either side of your paper. This is going to be what we call our main idea of our paragraph. So this is where my topic is going to go. This is getting us into how we will plan our writing. So our main idea or the topic of the prompt will go inside the box. Underneath it, we're going to come up with 3 supporting details or relevant details that will then have examples. So we're going to start by writing the prompt. You're going to write the exact prompt that Mrs. Ling is writing. So in the prompt box, we're going to write the statement, if I could invite any celebrity to visit school, comma, I would invite Ed Sheeran. So remember, this is not your own thinking right now. You're writing down exactly what Mrs. Ling is writing, so you have a sample of what you will do when we're done. So our main idea is placed in the prompt box. So the prompt that we're being asked is, if I could invite anyone to school, who would I invite? And then I'm going to then tell why. So I have my statement, including the person who I would invite to school. And now I have to come up with reasons. So these are going to be considered my details. So I'm going to make my bulleted points. So I'm going to space those out. So I have 2 spaces between each of those prompts at least. Well, I have to think of my details. So I'm going to write the word details as a reminder this first time. So I have to think, well, why would I want to have the singer Ed Sheeran? And if you don't know who he is, it's Mrs. Ling's favorite person. So because he's my favorite singer, well, I would want to hear him. So you're going to write this as well, exactly what Mrs. Ling's writing. So to hear him sing the song Perfect, that's one of his famous songs that he sings. And then I need to be specific. So this is the detail that we're saying is the reason. I want to hear him sing. And then the example of what I want to hear him sing. So I want to hear him sing Perfect. And then I need to back that up with a reason. So because it is my favorite song and makes me feel happy. So I have a relevant detail that's focused on my topic. So why I would want this person to coming to visit our school. And then why would I want him there? I want to hear him sing, but more specifically, I want to give some reason or an example. So I want to hear him sing the song Perfect. And then why do I want to hear it? Because it's my favorite song and it makes me feel happy. Another detail I could say of why I wanted him to come to school is maybe to have him give singing lessons. So maybe that could be an opportunity for some of our students. So to have him give singing lessons to each student for 15-minute sessions. So once again, I'm giving a specific detail. So I want him to give singing lessons to the students, but I'm giving some more details to make it a better example. So to give each student a 15-minute session. So to have him give singing lessons to each student for 15-minute sessions, period. And then I have to think of a third detail. So, well, if he comes to school and you know he's Mrs. Ling's favorite singer, this might also be a good opportunity to ask him for concert tickets. So I'm going to ask him for concert tickets so I can bring my friends and family. So ask him for concert tickets so I can bring my friends and family to listen to him, period. So once again, I came up with a detail or a reason why I picked this particular singer, but then I gave a little bit more information to make it a more complex reason. So not just asking him for concert tickets, but asking him for concert tickets so I can bring my friends and family to listen to him. So when I look at my relevant information, I have a solid topic or main idea, and then I have 3 supporting details. So I could then use this information to create a paragraph, because our concluding sentence is always revisiting the topic and then restating it either in a question, a humorous way, or just rewording it as an actual statement. So we're not going to turn this into a paragraph yet. We're going to leave the bottom portion of our page to be able to do that at a later time. So this is the Mrs. Ling's model. You're going to turn the page and you're going to do the same work now because it's your turn. So on the top of your page, you're going to write the statement, "Now it's my turn." So you just listened to Mrs. Ling's thought process of how I was creating my planning. So you're going to do the same thing. So once again, you're going to make your topic box. So this is where your topic statement's going to go. So once again, make it nice and long and skinny. You're going to use the same title. So we're going to say this is going to be your main idea, or where your topic's going to go. You're using the same topic as Mrs. Ling. The only difference is you are telling me who you would invite to school. So which celebrity. It could be someone in the movie, someone on a TV show, on YouTube, a singer, someone else that is popular in your hobby or of interest. Tell me what it is by restating the exact same prompt that I wrote. After you're done picking the person you would like to invite, you're going to also list 3 relevant details. So this is where we're going to write details. So you're going to tell me the support of why you want to bring this person that you're creating, but be specific. So not just say, like Mrs. Ling said, to hear him sing, but what do you want to hear him sing? Why do you like that song? So be very specific with your examples for your details. When you're done today, take a picture of the "Now it's my turn." This is your planning. And then take a picture of Mrs. Ling's finished copy that you recorded in your notebook. And then you may submit those today for writing.